Hey, what's up guys, it's Oin here from the Tech Info House, back with another video. So today we have with us a card sized multi-tool guys, and I feel it will be very helpful for you, though it's not a tech product necessarily, but I think it might be very helpful. And I bought this from Banggood.com, and this is a very special shipment for me because it was my first international import. And to be honest guys, I was really skeptical whether it will reach to me or not, but anyways, I think that everybody goes through this phase, and if in case you are worried, I'll drop Amazon India links for this too, though in Amazon India it costs a little bit more, but it's worth checking out. So let's cut this baby open and see it. So here's my knife. Okay, that will do. Let's now tear it. And honestly guys, it took around 20 to 25 days for it to ship in India, which according to me, being an international shipment, was quite soon, as I didn't have to pay any delivery charge, and it costs like below 100 rupees, and it was flash sale, so I got it for just 60 rupees, so worth the price. Anyways, let's keep this aside and concentrate on this. Let's tear this, and here it is, a card size, and honestly, compared to a card, actually it is even smaller than a card, as you can see. Anyways, let's keep that aside and concentrate on this thing. So it comes with a pouch, and it looks like a leather, but I don't think it's leather. I think it's some plastic material or some other stuff. I'm not exactly sure. Anyways, let's open this. Okay, opening this up, we get the tool itself, and the tool is like really strong guys. I cannot even bend the tool, and I don't think, if in case you keep this in a card holder or your wallet, it won't bend. And so according to me, the quality is really good guys, and it comes with this small leaflet which tells about the things that you can do with this. Anyways, let me just give you a physical overview of this. As you can see guys, it is of a really good quality, and we are gonna check it out whether all the things work or not, though there are some tools that I cannot use at present because I don't have, suppose, a can, so I cannot open a can and check it out, but I have the general stuffs to check it out, and I'm gonna do that. So let's do it.